Yo! Today I am going to make spice fried chicken wings. I am very excited to make this recipe because the grilled chicken wings I made last time were a great success and tasted great. Today I will also use the air fryer to fry chicken wings, which is simple, healthy, and delicious. Friends who like fried chicken wings, remember to follow my channel and save the recipes. Otherwise, I'm afraid you won't be able to find me. I share new simple recipes every day. If you like simple cooking and happy eating like me, then you have come to the right channel. Follow me now, otherwise you may not find me if you accidentally delete it. After accumulating 365 recipes a year, you can cook every dish differently in a year. Let's fried chicken. Ingredients are spices and chicken wings. Chicken wings marinate for at least 1 hour. Spices smell good. Use forks to poke holes on chicken wings to help speed up marinating process. Hours later. Mixed with cooking oil for air fryer. Fryer at 200 degrees for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Flip in between. Smells so good. The spiced chicken wings are ready. It's very simple. This fried chicken wings is perfect as a party snack and is loved by both adults and children. My family finished them all in no time. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.